People think I'm just fat, but I can literally protect your heart and brain.
I'm loaded with healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and support your heart.
This very video that you just finished watching was created with free AI too. No expert knowledge needed. And I did everything on my phone. I did not use laptop to create this video. So that is what I am going to be teaching you in this very video now. Just stay put, follow me, comment and share so that people who may need this kind of tutorial will be able to get it. So let's go there. So the first thing that we're going to be doing now, first and foremost, is we're going to be using ChatGPT. There are 3 apps that we're going to use here for this very content. I'll be using first ChatGPT to script my prompts, and the second app I'm going to be using is my image generation app and my video generation app, which is for this context of this video, I'll be using Flow AI. And then my editing, I'm going to be doing my editing on CapCut. If you don't know how to access Flow AI, what you need to do is just go to if you just want to use Flow AI to create this very kind of video, like me, you have to go to your Chrome browser or any browser that you want to use or you have on your phone that you use. You can go there and type Flow AI. Once you type it and then you send it. So once you send it, you just scroll. So scroll to when you get to Google Labs. You see this very point that says Google Labs. You see this very one now. Is what you're going to be typing on. So you click on it. Once you click on it, allow it to load. Once it has loaded, you click on this Create with Flow. You click on this Create with Flow. Click on Create with Flow. So once you have clicked on Create with Flow, allow it to load. Once it has finished loading, you see this one, I'm having 150 credits. So this credit is a credit refresh daily. So that means if you sign up with Flow using your Google account, so what they are going to give you for as a free version user, they will give you 150 credits. So now I'm going to be using this very account to create this video. So to start with, I am going to create on this new project. Allow it to load. Once it has loaded, I'm going to click on this Get Started. So after I must have clicked on Get Started, then I will now click here and then I'll paste my prompts. So I'll paste my prompts and then I will hit on Generate. So, and I'll allow it to generate. Once it is generating, let me go over and then copy the second prompt, the second image prompt for the second scene. So I'm copying the image prompt for the second scene. Then I went over again to my Chrome browser and then I'll paste that for the second scene here. So I'll paste it here. So I'll now head over and copy the scene for the image prompts for the top scene. So I'm going to copy all of the prompts now. Then I'll now head over to Chrome browser to generate the top scene. So I'll just paste the scene here. I'll paste it here, paste the prompts, I'll paste the prompts here and then hit on generate. So that's what I'm going to be copying. I'll copy all the image prompts for each of the scenes and then I'll now come here on this Chrome browser and then paste it and generate all the images. So that's how I will generate all the images for all the scenes. Then after which I'll now proceed to generate each of the videos. So after generating our images, the next thing that we're going to do is we are now going to convert those images into video. Each of the images for each of the scenes, we are now going to convert it into video. And to do that, we are going to head over back to our ChatGPT to copy the prompts. To copy the image to video prompt that ChatGPT has given to us. So we're going to now head over to our ChatGPT to do that. So I'm going to be copying the image to video prompt for the first scene, and then I'll copy it, and then I'll go back to my Chrome browser, and then go to look at the text to video, the image for the first scene here, and then choose the one that I love here. I'll choose the one that I love here. So which one am I going to be choosing now? Let me see. Which one should I choose here? Let me use this very one. So I'm now going to click on Animate here. So once I click on Animate here, so if you look at this place, once I choose that very image and I click on Animate, it now brought me to this box now came up, and the image now is now rightly pasted here. So what I'm going to be doing is to click on this very, I'm going to be clicking on this very box here that has this video, and you see that icon, that triangle icon, and then you see times. So I'll click on it. Once I click on it and it will open, then I'm going to now be clicking on this image here to change. It's supposed to be on video. So it's supposed to be on video. So I'm going to what I'm going to change here, because my aspect ratio is okay and the frame is what I'm going to be using. So it's okay, and video is okay. The video option is okay. So the next thing I'm going to be choosing here is this one, the number of videos I want, the number of clips that I want to generate from this very prompt. So I don't want it to generate more than one. That is why I'm selecting this very one, because remember, we are unlimited credit slip, unlimited credit, because we are using the free version of Flow AI to create this image, and Flow only gave us 150 credit to create that I can use to generate videos. So because of that, we don't want to waste our credits, the credits that we have on this account. So that is why I'm choosing click on one here. So once I click on it, so it has changed. So you have the option of coming down here to click on this very down arrow here, and then choose whichever one, because we have different models of generating videos on Flow AI. So you can decide to choose VO 3.1 light. You can decide to create with VO 3.1 fast, and you can decide to create with VO 3.1 quality. So me, I don't like using this VO 3.1 quality because it consumes a lot of credit. So I either use, if you look at it now, because I selected that video 3.1 quality, you'll see that this generating will use 300 credits for each of the clip. That is to say, and this very video will have 7 scenes that we are going to sell. That is 7 scenes. I mean, that which means we are going to be generating 7 video claims for this very video to complete this video. So, and for that 7, that means if you're using this video 3.1 quality now to generate it, we're going to be consuming 700 credits. And remember, it is only 150 credits that Flow gives to us because we're using the free version of it. So there's no point wasting these credits. And if we decide to do it, that means we end up not generating the whole week. We'll only be able to generate only one video clip. So, and which is not okay. So I'm going to now be changing it to either fast or to either video 3.1 quality, to either video 3.1 fast or video 3.1 light. So for video 3.1 light, you will see that if we pick it, you say generating will use 10 credits. That is to say, if you're generating with this very one, we're going to end up consuming just 70 credits for all of the generations from the scene 1 to the scene 7 of this very video. So we'll be on the safer side using this video 3.1 light, or we not use, if we decide to use video 3.1 fast now, it will be charging us 20 credits units for 20 credits for each generation. That is for each video clip that we generate using this very model. So, and that is to say, at the end of the day, we'll end up using 140 credits, leaving us with just 10 credits. So what if we make a mistake at the end? So at the end of the day, you will not be able to complete your generation of the video. So to be safe on this, to play safe, I cannot decide to combine the video 3.1 fast model and the VO 3.1 light model. So, and you can even decide to use just the light model. You can decide to use the VO 3.1 fast model. So the option is yours to choose how to do it. So for the sake of this video, let me use this VO 3.1 fast model. So I am going to be clicking here. Then what I'm going to be doing next is to paste my prompts. So I'll be pasting my prompts I will use to generate this image here. So this is the prompt now. So I'm going to make some amendments here so that Flow AI will not misunderstand me, will not misunderstand these prompts here. So I'm going to make some amendments here. So let me see. So after that, and I'm going to now click on generate. So while it's generating, let me go over to ChatGPT again to copy the second prompt. So I'm copying the second prompt now. I'm copying the second scene image to video prompts now. So I've copied it. Go over to Flow AI and I'll search for the second scene generated image and then choose the one that is okay, more okay. Let me see. Yeah, let me see which one now will I choose from here. Let me choose this one. Now click on animate. So now paste my prompts here for it to start generating. So once it's generating, I will now head over again. I head over to my ChatGPT to pick the second one to copy the image to video prompt for the third scene. So we'll copy it, search for the images that Flow AI generated for us for the third scene. So let me see from this ones now. Let me see which one I would like to choose from here. Which of those images should I choose from here? Let me go with this very one here. And then I'll click on animate. I'll paste my video prompts here. And then hit on generate for it to start animating. So I'll now head over to ChatGPT again and copy my video prompt for the fourth scene. So to copy my video prompt for the fourth scene. So I'm copying the video prompts for the fourth scene now. Copy it and go over to Flow AI again. Search for the images that were generated for us by Flow for the fourth scene. So let me say search. Let me search and then pick the one that I feel that is okay, more better. Then I'll click animate. Then I'll now paste the video prompts here. So that's how you're going to generate all the videos for all the scenes, one after the other. So now, after generating all our scenes, all our video clip for each of the scenes, the next thing is to head over to our CapCut. As in, before then, we'll have to download each of the video clip that we just generated. So what we're going to do, we click on it, and then we download each of them. When you tap on this, when you click on any of the videos video clip that you generated on this using Flow AI, the next thing that you will see these options here, you have to click on download and it will start downloading. Once it has finished downloading, once you have downloaded all of the videos. So if you look at now, these are the videos that I generated. These are all the videos that I generated using using Flow AI. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'll now open my CapCut. I'll open my CapCut app. Then I'll now click on this very new video here. Once I click on new video, I am going to be choosing all the video. All the video clips in. I'm going to be choosing them in the order in which I generated them, or in the order of the scenes in this very video that I am creating. So I'm going to be choosing them. So I'm going to be marking them marking them. So this is the first scene, this is the fifth scene, this is the sixth scene, and this is the seventh scene. So I'm going to be clicking. I'll not click on this ad here. I'll click on this very ad here. So once I click on add, so I'll wait for it to be added. So I'm going to be editing my video here. I will edit everything that I need to edit here. So each of the scenes, any part I need to cut off, I will cut them off. I'll cut it off. I'll add my background score, my background music or background what's it called? I will add my background music or I'll add my background score depending the one. It depends on what you want. Then I can here. I'll add my what's it called? I'll add my thumbnail here. So that's it. So after editing a video, after editing and doing everything that you want to do on CapCut, edit your video, add your sound, add everything, cut the side of the clip that you do not want. What you are not going to do is to export the video. So now I'm going to be exporting this video now. I'll click on this export here. And I click on save to device. Then and I wait for it to finish exporting. So it's exporting now. So now our video is done generating. Let me go to the gallery. Let me go to my phone gallery to locate this video then. Okay. So this is it here. So that we can watch it together. Let's see.
People think I'm just fat, but I can literally protect your heart and brain.
I'm loaded with healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and support your heart. I also help your brain function better and improve memory concentration. Without healthy fats and key nutrients like potassium, your body may feel tired, weak, and stressed.
The best time to eat me? Morning or lunch. I keep you full longer and give steady energy.
Eat me with eggs, toast, smoothies, or salad for maximum benefits.
Now tell me, are you eating enough avocado? Follow Inside Your Body, AI Food Effect, for more AI health secrets.
So that is all on how to create this food talking video. That is how I created it from scratch. If there's any other video that you want me to create on this, to do the tutorial on how to create it on this very page, just drop it on the comment section, then I will not pick it up from there.